So gamers, welcome back, and this time it's Industry Giant 4.0. A decent, simple business game, a surprisingly relaxing and enjoyable experience in the early stages when your business is small and manageable. The difficulty ramps up suitably and engagingly as your business grows and time progresses, keeping things fresh and challenging. The visuals shine in many areas, such as the beautiful seasonal cycles and distant landscapes, though some elements do feel a bit lackluster, such as the lack of the pedestrians populating the cities and some of the soulless designs of the farms and factories. Barely any animation of them producing goods or shoving the goods into storage ready for transport. Improving this could elevate the game's overall polish. The variety of industries available to management is impressive and adds depth to the gameplay. The largest maps are the highlight, offering the most immersive and rewarding experience, and I'm excited to see even more of this added during early access. It's worth noting that while the tutorial map is intentionally small to teach the basics, it's only about an eighth of the size of the largest playable maps. So concerns about the limited map size often stem from only seeing the tutorial online and don't reflect the true scale available in the game that it has to offer. I do agree, though the more maps should be added sooner rather than later to prevent the experience from getting stale, but this is an early access, so I'm sure they'll be making more soon and or getting the map modding out. The first is localization is bad, and by localization I mean English version. Devs don't play the test it in English, neither is QA. Some labels are incorrect, tutorial is misleading, etc. By the way, you need to follow tutorial step by step, they don't bother with the proper state checking, placing building B ahead of A would not fly. The second is no proper mapper grind or snapping, probably the worst UX in the building game I've ever played, and I played a lot. Buildings are bulky and annoying to place, game has no planning mode or move tool. You place bunch of factories but can't connect a road because turn is too sharp. Or your buildings are culling by 1 pixel with each other, too bad. Now you need to delete them at all 50% money loss. Also, all streets and factories are unaligned due to this. RIP if you like the neat building placement and triggered by spaghetti connections. The third is buildings are huge, map is small, 3D landscape is not for scale. Factory size is around the same as the whole town, feels claustrophobic. The fourth is sets and graphics are backbone and lying. You can have fully supplied city on the city screen and it will display 60 to 70 of needs covered, but in town static it will be 100%. Building needs it will display on the 80% of satisfaction. On click on the covered map overlay will be covered about the 20%, etc. It's such a mess. The management games are effectively excel the gaming and they're completely fumbled the most cool part of the game, coherent and the clear data display. The fifth is the most of the basic operations take way too many clicks to complete. I would not dare to play at the scale, fixing logistics will be like playing the cookie clicker. That said, the UI could benefit from refinement. Setting up lines feels a bit cumbersome at times, and adding more intuitive controls and auditory feedback such as sound effects when clicking on certain buttons or finalizing a line would make interaction smoother and more satisfying. I'm looking forward to the promised improvements and future features during its early access, like multiplayer and additional gameplay mechanics, which have the potential to make this game even better. And the note, if anyone watching this played an Unstable Band demo for a month ago, from my experience I haven't witnessed a single crash at all this time. It now plays quite smoothly, so they have definitely delivered on that with the release, which I was afraid for. Give it another try. At around £16 it's certainly a bargain. So guys, thank you for watching this video, don't forget to set up notifications for these videos, and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Bye.